Welcome to our geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the fundamental building blocks of a triangle. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify and correctly name the vertices, sides, and angles of any triangle. First, let's define what we are looking at. A triangle is a polygon, which is just a fancy word for a closed shape with straight sides. It is defined by having exactly 3 parts of everything: 3 vertices, 3 sides, and 3 angles. Let's start with the corners. These corner points where 2 sides meet are called vertices. The singular form is vertex. In geometry, we always label these points using capital letters, such as A, B, and C. Next, we have the sides. These are the straight line segments that connect the vertices together. Just like the corners, every triangle has exactly 3 sides that form the boundary of the shape. Inside the triangle, where the sides intersect, we find the angles. An angle represents the amount of opening between 2 sides. These are measured in degrees. Now let's learn how to write these down properly. For vertices, it is very simple. We use a single capital letter. For example, we would refer to the top point here as point P and the bottom ones as point Q and point R. Naming sides can be done in 2 ways. The most common way is to name the 2 endpoints with a bar over them, like side ob. Alternatively, you can use a lowercase letter that matches the opposite vertex. So, the side opposite angle A is called side little a. When naming angles, accuracy is key. The best method is to use 3 letters with the vertex letter in the middle, like angle ABC. If the picture is simple like this one, you can also just say angle B. Let's put it all together. A triangle consists of 3 vertices, which are the points A, B, and C. It has 3 sides connecting those points, and 3 interior angles formed at the corners. Thank you for watching. Try drawing a few triangles on your own and practice labeling the vertices, sides, and angles to master this topic.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.